Assalamualaikum and very good morning. I'm Yasmin. This is Taiping Lake Garden. So very beautiful. Okay, Taiping Lake Garden is one of the oldest lake garden in Malaysia. It is very popular among visitors due to its scenic beauty. Some even call it as the most beautiful lake garden in Malaysia. This is the view of the Taiping Lake Garden. Taiping Lake Garden was original an abandoned tenement area which was converted into a beautiful and peaceful recreational area by the British. About 64 hectares. This Taiping Lake Garden has 10 beautiful lake and pond, lotus pond, spectacular bridge, jogging track, all surrounded by tropical plant, flowers, tree and wildlife. There are various activities that can be carried out at Taiping Lake Garden. There are so many attractions around this garden. This area between activities and place that can be visited with the family. Okay, this is view of the Taiping Lake Garden. Is to visit the Taiping Zoo, paddle, boating, recreation center, bush, take children to play the background. This is the cruise. One of the most popular activity at the Taiping Lake Garden is boating. 2. This is boating. There is a boat house here. Pusat Rekreasi Dayung, where boating service are provided. The boat house has a restaurant for visitors to dine in and also souvenir counter. There are a few types of boat service that you can take a Pusat Rekreasi Dayung, such as ferry, swan boat, sampan and couple boat. This is a boating. Okay, you can see. So beautiful about that. They can also this is a boating for exercise. So come visit the Taiping Lake Garden with your family, beside resting and climbing the mind. It can also reveal to others the beauty of the environment, and we apply the sense of respect for nature. It is indeed one of the most beautiful memory that cannot be This is view of the Taipei Lake Garden, so very beautiful about that. So that's all.
Hello, my name is Srinueni. I want to tell you about sightseeing for my English proficiency too. Now I'm at the deer stable. My friend wants to give the deer eat. There are so many deer here, and they're all like hungry deer. and and we come here like a double bike that we run from sports center. That's all. Okay, now we ride a double bike. Jangan juga ya. Jangan kau laju sangat. Now we ride a double bike to go around this and we from the deer stable. We want to go around, want to see what's other in this and when we ride this bicycle, we also can get a fitness to our body and we can release our tension and we can be happy with our friends. That's all.
Feeling artis. Banyak peminat yang cium-cium.
Mana? Tak sempat nak ambil gambar. Ya Allah, dah makan. Mana? Rasa tadi Syah.
Hai. Ya, sudah.
Ya, aku mau mengasih makan Syah. Kejap. Kejap lah. Kau bagi dia satu.
Ih, besarnya.
Kau rakamkan.